What's going on, karate family? It's Miss Holmes. Today we're starting our second video in the kata tutorial series, and we're going to be exploring the Korean form Yul Gok. Yul Gok is the pen name of the philosopher Yi Ai, who was an expert in Confucianism. There are 38 movements in this form, and that represents the 38th degree latitude where Yul Gok was born. As all of our katas that come from Korea, they all represent a person or an event in Korean history. I find that stuff fascinating. You might not, but it's important to at least hear about it. As always, what you can expect to see is a full speed run through of the form, and then a broken down version with explanation so that you can follow along at home. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Yul Gok! And now for your slow motion walkthrough. We're going to come to attention, bow, and return to your ready stance. Stepping out to the left in a straddle leg stance with a center punch position, executing a slow motion punch on a 6 count, followed by 2 full speed center punches. Then you're going to slide to the right in a straddle leg stance, executing again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, punch 1, 2. Right hand forward for outside block, you're going to take an adjusting step, 45-degree angle, outside block with the right, stepping front kick, followed by left, right punches. Left hand in a 45-degree angle, outside block, forward stance, followed by a stepping front kick, punch right, left. Now the right hand is going to fold on top for a grasping block, slow motion on a 6 count. The second grasping block is a full speed motion, followed by a center punch. Fold the left hand on top, same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, fold block, and punch. Step punch, ki in a forward stance. Pivot side kick with the left leg, land in a back stance, grab, and elbow smash in a forward stance. Step across, slide up, right leg side kick now, land in a back stance, elbow smash in a forward stance. Fold on your right hip, you're going to slide the left foot up and back out in a back stance, double knife hand block, slap, step forward in a forward stance, spear hand strike. You're going to fold on the left hip now, step across with the right foot, back stance, double knife hand block, slap, step forward in a forward stance, spear hand strike. That left hand is going to fold underneath now for an extended outside block, stepping forward stance, extended outside block, followed by reverse punch, and repeat. Right hand, extended outside block, left hand, reverse punch. This is your leaping reinforced outside block. There is a ki on this motion. It is a left foot step followed by a cross step with the other foot. You're going to spin out of it, forward stance to the right with a reinforced outside block, same thing to the left, and finishing with a ki. Return to ready stance, and show respect, attention, bow. That's it for Yul Gok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.